My name is Leanna Fadovic. I'm from Parkland, Florida, and I drive a Yukon Hybrid. When we were looking for a vehicle a couple of years ago, we decided that a hybrid would be beneficial. It's helpful because we drive 20 miles each way to school. We really needed the space for our family, and the Yukon Hybrid provided that. And when we initially bought it, I was a little skeptical about the performance of the vehicle. Being a hybrid, it's the same as driving a regular car. There's no special care for it. You don't have to plug it in or anything like that. The battery charges while you drive. My favorite thing about the Yukon is the gas mileage. You can't beat it. I get almost 20 miles to the gallon. People definitely notice that it's a hybrid, especially with the increase in gas prices right now. This summer we plan to take the Yukon for a family vacation. It is quite a distance, but because we get good mileage on this vehicle, we will take the truck. When I get in line at school, sometimes the security guards even say, wow, you have a hybrid. What kind of mileage do you get?